In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate social media posts with Make, a fantastic and free tool that can streamline your social media strategy. If you're juggling multiple accounts or just looking for a way to save some time, this software could really be a game changer for you. So let's dive right in and see how it all works step by step. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Make dashboard. Open your web browser and go to the Make website. Once you're there, explore some of the ready-made templates they offer. These templates can provide a great starting point, especially if you're new to automated workflows. But for this tutorial, we're going to create our own scenario from scratch to precisely tailor it to our needs. Next, click on Create Scenario. This is where we start building a custom automation sequence that will handle posting to your social media platforms. At this stage, you'll need to add a module. Let's begin with Google Sheets. Having a spreadsheet to store your social media content can be immensely helpful for organization and planning. So connect the Google Sheets module by selecting it from the available options. Now you'll focus on choosing your trigger. A trigger in Make is an event that initiates the scenario. In this case, it could be when a new row is added to your Google Sheet, indicating a new social media post. To continue, select the specific Google Sheet file that you'll be using. Make sure this file contains all the necessary information for your posts like content, image URLs, or posting dates. After selecting your file, proceed to input all the necessary data in the fields provided. This data should map from your spreadsheet to the input fields in your module. Once everything's lined up correctly, go ahead and click Save to lock in these settings. Moving on, it's time to add the social media platform you'll be posting to. Let's say it's a Facebook page. Add the Facebook page module to your scenario. Following a similar process to the Google Sheets module, you need to choose a trigger for Facebook, perhaps posting directly when data from the Google Sheet is transferred. To complete the setup, connect your specific Facebook page by linking it with Make. This involves a simple authorization step, ensuring that Make can post on your behalf. Don't worry, this is a secure process requiring you to verify your authorization. Once that's complete, hit Save again. After setting up everything, your scenario is ready to run. With a click of a button, you've created an automation that will seamlessly handle your social media posting from a simple spreadsheet. It's as easy as that. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this automation as helpful as I do in saving time and improving your social media management. Keep experimenting with Make, and you might find even more ways to optimize and automate your workflow.